Open the carrying case. This is the VM30 shotgun mic transmitter, receiver, microphone clip, shock mount, windscreen, wind muff, 2-in-1 charging and output cable, 3.5mm TRS to TRS audio output cable, 3.5mm TRRS to TRRS audio output cable, user manual, warranty card, pin. This is the mic capsule. Please aim the front of the mic at the sound source to get a better recording. Mode switch button. Short press to switch between 75 and 150 Hz low cut and high frequency boost functions. The corresponding indicator lights up blue when turned on. Long press to turn on safety mode. Safety mode is available in wired mode, but not in wireless mode or when connected to phones through a 3.5mm TRRS audio cable. RF button. In wireless mode, long press to turn on or turn off the mic. In wired mode, long press to turn on or turn off wireless mode. Working indicator. The green light is on in wired mode. In wireless mode, blue light flashes when pairing, and blue light is on when paired. Gain control knob. Rotate to adjust the microphone gain. Pairing hole. When the wireless connection is abnormal, use the pin to short press the pairing hole to repair. 3.5mm output port. Support TRS and TRRS output. USB-C charging and output port. Plug in the 2-in-1 charging and output cable to charge, or connect devices like phones and computers to output digital audio. OLED screen. Displays the signal status, audio mode, battery power, and audio dynamics. Safety mode will display two dynamic bars, normal track and safety track. Safety track is recorded at -6 decibels. The VM30 receiver has a 3.5mm monitoring port. Plug in 3.5mm TRS and TRRS headphones for monitoring the audio from VM30. 3.5mm TRS audio output port. Connect to cameras, phones, and computers via a 3.5mm audio cable. USB-C charging port. Charging with the 2-in-1 charging and output cable. The VM30 transmitter and receiver support charging while using in wired mode. The VM30 lasts up to 50 hours. In wireless mode, the VM30 transmitter and receiver lasts up to 7 hours. Reset hole. If the device is crashing or unable to turn on, please insert the pin into the reset hole to reset it. Power and mute button. Long press to power on or power off. Short press to turn on or turn off the mute function. Gain control and screen flip button. Short press to adjust the gain. Long press to flip the screen. The receiver has an IPS screen. Displays the pairing status, mute, gain level, battery power, and audio dynamic. The VM30 comes with a 3/8 port mic clip and a 1/4 port shock mount. Please mount the mic on the cameras, tripods, or C-stands through the shock mount. Please mount the mic on the boom poles, arm stands, or mic stands through the mic clip. The belt clip of the receiver adopts a standard cold shoe width, allowing the receiver to be mounted on a camera or camera cage. The VM30 supports wired and wireless dual modes. In wired mode, the shotgun mic can automatically power on and power off. The VM30 will automatically turn on when connected to an already powered device. The VM30 will turn itself off when the device is powered off. When using a 3.5mm TRS to TRS, TRRS to TRRS, or USB audio cable to output, the VM30 can automatically turn on. When using the 3.5mm analog output, the 3.5mm TRS to TRS audio cable is suitable for cameras, switchers, mixers, etc. The 3.5mm TRRS to TRRS audio cable is suitable for phones, tablets, computers, and some cameras. If the phones do not have a 3.5mm port, please use the 3.5mm TRRS to USB-C or Lightning adapter to connect it. In this case, it still supports the auto power on and power off feature. When using the USB digital output, the 2-in-1 charging and output cable can be connected to phones, tablets, and computers. The iPhone and iPad with a Lightning port need to be used with a USB to Lightning adapter. In wired mode, for better recording, please adjust the internal gain of the devices to a lower level first, then adjust the gain of the VM30 transmitter. Please long press the RF button to turn on the wireless mode, then turn on the VM30 receiver. In wireless mode, the transmitter and receiver will be automatically paired and connected. The receiver can be connected to cameras, switchers, and computers via a 3.5mm TRS to TRS audio cable. When connecting to phones, tablets, and computers, a 3.5mm TRS to TRRS cable is required. Please prepare 3.5mm TRS to TRRS audio cable by yourself. In wireless mode, for better recording, please adjust the gain of the transmitter to the maximum first, then adjust the gain of the receiver accordingly. The transmitter and receiver are paired by default at the factory. Repairing is required when the connection fails or connects to the Boom XD or Boom XD Pro. In this case, please turn on the receiver. Insert the pin into the pairing hole of the VM30 transmitter to repair.